Hey there, YouTube lovers. Welcome back to my channel. It's Djpamelamc. Woo! So, my subscribers, I love you. You already know that. And if you're new to my channel, please click like, subscribe, leave a nice comment. Please, 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 please. All right, so today, today is, all right, get ready for this. Obviously, I got Uber Eats. All right, and I'm just going to say today my day was totally messed up. I had my whole day planned with other things and everything just got totally, I had to make changes. So that's where I'm at, and I'm at home sweet home today, and that's fine. Oh, what is this? So this is food. Okay, obviously I got from Uber Eats. You can tell. Okay, wait. We need I don't know what's in this one. Oh! I know. And you want me to eat straight away. Bear with me. It's the cheesecake. What is it? Ricotta cheesecake. All right, so bear with me on that one. Because that's not for now. All right. So this is a pizzeria pizza. Faranara Pizzeria in Australia, and they have a few all over, from what I know, like all over New South Wales, but it could be all over Australia, just so you know. So this is them. All right, just so you know. We're going to dig in straight away. Okay, bear with me. Oh, I'm devastated because my day today was meant to be something different and it's not. Last night I was so sick. I'm okay. Getting better, but yeah, I'm not well. So today I had to make changes to my whole schedule and everything. So I haven't eaten. I haven't been feeling well. Okay, lovers. This is a garlic bread pizza. And lovers, I've already told you, I do not prefer garlic bread pizza. But they didn't have garlic bread rolls. So we can go with that. All right, the cheesecake is going to come up over here. And I'm prepared. My aioli sauce. Whoop. And my ranch. Oh, God. Okay, hang on. I'm making a mess. Oh, what can I say? What can I say? So, ranch dressing, which I only just found out about thanks to the USA. All right, what are we going to do? I don't know yet. All right. But thank you, Uber Eats. I love you. And then we have, okay, wait, what is this one? Oh, what? Okay, that's weird. I think they've given me 2 garlic bread pizzas. Great. Or maybe one came with an entree. I think so. So, I've got double. So, obviously, I've ordered a garlic bread pizza. And then a garlic bread pizza has come on the side of another order that I've ordered. It's my first time eating at this place, so please bear with me. Beautiful restaurant. And this is a wood fire oven pizza, buffalo, basil, and oregano with extra cheeses. Look at that. Delicious, delicious, delicious. So this is my first time from this particular restaurant, and it's a Faranara Pizzeria, Australia, and they have different locations. Oh my God, I don't even know where to start. Oh, I wish you could see me better. Hold on. And yeah, actually, okay, wait. Oh my God. I don't want the camera to fall over. You know what I mean? Okay, wait. Bear with me, lovers. Oh God. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Probably stuffed up my camera angle. Yeah, big time. Okay, let me just... Sorry. Okay. Fix it up. Okay. Is my head in it? No, my head isn't in. All right, we're going to do this. This is simple. Oh, anyway, we're going to try it. Go back. Only because, sorry, some of my fans get angry if I don't eat straight away. All right. That, oh my God, that's better. Goodness, sorry. Honestly, oh God, I didn't even want to talk about yesterday. Wait. Oh. Oh. Ah. Okay. Sorry. I'm not impressed, and I'm gonna get food on my face. This restaurant, oh, yummy, yum, yum. The pizza. Delicious. Ah, that's very hot. So this one, let me have a look. I'm not sure. Oh, okay. This is a spaghetti bolognese I ordered. Very hot. Very hot. Oh, delicious with parsley and pepper. Okay. Oh my God. I have to get like a thumbnail thing, you know? Ooh. Wow. The pizza, 10 out of 10. Wow. And this, okay, sorry. Oh God. I'm making such a mess. You know, yesterday I was so sick. I was so sick. I was so unwell. I'm feeling better. I didn't eat anything. Yeah, I'm just thankful to be okay. Okay. Pardon me. It's super hot, which is a good thing. Ouch. It should be the garlic prawns with Italian bread. But, oh, okay, wait. Now I get it. So that is the garlic prawns. And then this is the garlic bread that comes with it. Now I get it. Sorry, lovers. It's my first time ordering from this restaurant. And you know what can I say? Farinara Pizzeria. Amazing. Here in Sydney, Australia. Amazing. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. God. Mm. Yum. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Got food up my nostrils. Oh God. Amazing. Amazing. Well, not food up my nostril, but you know what I mean. Okay. Okay. So that's the entree. Wow. I should have got more Parmesan cheese. So sorry. Mm. This restaurant. You Sydney lovers or anyone visiting Australia or Sydney, divine. Yum. Oh, so hot. Spaghetti bolognese. Mm. Mm. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm so sorry. I'm making such a mess. I'm sorry. Mm. Ah, this is divine. So if you ever come to Sydney or you're in Sydney and you want to know, they have different locations in Sydney. Not many, but a few. Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Obviously, you're not going to eat like me. You know what I mean? Oh, wow. Divine. Wow. This is, and I don't eat a lot. I'm not a big meat eater, but this spaghetti bolognese, wow. And look, you can see the steam. I'm sure you can see the steam. Divine. Super, super hot. Wow. Whoa. Very hot. Oh, wow. This, yes, definitely 5-star quality food. I will definitely order again from this restaurant. From this area. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh. You know now what I'm going to do with my face. Mess it all up. Okay. Wow. I don't even know where to begin. All right, we've got to try the entree. It's very hot. Okay. Super, super hot entree. And that is this sauce. Oh, what was it? It was garlic prawns with Italian bread. That's what I ordered. Okay. That's why there's extra Italian bread. I've got like Italian bread and Italian pizza, which is the same thing. So, but that came with it. Oh my God. that is the Italian pizza. Can you have some, please? With me? I don't want to be greedy. I bought it for you as well, please. But, excuse me. This is for the garlic prawns, which comes with the Italian bread. You can see it's a lot thicker. Can you see that? Oh, it's delicious. Wow. Thicker, there's more garlic. The bread is just different to the garlic bread pizza. So the garlic bread for the prawns, divine, 10 out of 10. Wow. 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 Yum. Scrumptious. Okay, lovers. Excuse me. As you know, I'm not afraid to get food on my face. This restaurant, wow, it's very lovely. Very lovely. All right. I don't know. What do I do? There's so much food. So the gorgeous garlic prawns. Oh. Which is an entree and it's super hot. Super hot. The spaghetti bolognese is super hot. Yum. It's like a mincemeat. Delicious. Can you see that? That's like some, and I don't eat a lot of meat. Look at that. You can see that there, the beef bolognese sauce. It's a bolognese sauce, obviously. Garlic, onion, tomato-based paste. Oh. Whoa. Super hot. Oh. I don't know if you can see the steam. I hope you can. Super, super steamy hot. Oh. And the restaurant, thank you. You're amazing. You went above and beyond. I'm so excited. Oh. I know you were all saying probably like, and you're going to mess it up more. Oh, yum. Oh. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, we're going to mess it. Mm-hmm. Mm. But you know what? Mm. This food. Mm. Wow. Mm, mm, mm. It's like it's too good to mess up, really. Mm. Mm. Ah, it's magnificent. Wow. It's stunning, stunning food. I will definitely order from this restaurant again. Wow. Oh, can you see the steam, lovers? I hope you can. Mm. Okay, itchy nose, sorry. Wow. Mm. Mm. I have to say, like, I forgot to add Parmesan cheese. I did. But you know, with all this, it's magical. Magical. Though, yes, I love Parmesan cheese, always on pasta and things like that. It's bolognese, 10 out of 10. Excuse me. 10 out of 10. Mm-hmm. Mm. Oh. Oh. Super hot, super tasty. Oh my god. Okay. And then obviously the entree of the garlic prawns. Wow. Oh my god. It's crazy. Very hot. Not spicy, I just mean like it's hot. Like they've cooked it really properly and delivered fast. Mm. Mm. Wow. Mm. Honestly, like, how can I complain about this? Never. 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 What are you going to eat today, lovers? I wish I could share this with you, and I wish you were here so I could give you some as well. You know that, and I love you all. My subscribers, you're amazing. People that follow me, people that make comments. I love you, and you're unreal. And never forget that, ever. And I need you, and I love you being here. Just so you know, please. I'm not always perfect. I'm not. You know that. Oh, excuse me. Sorry. I guess my channel, my concept is I just want to see people laugh and smile. But I think it's big. Why am I getting hiccups? Excuse me. That's all. I just want to make people laugh and smile. Um, and pardon me. I also talk about a few serious matters on my channel, and that's just me because I'm just gonna be me. That is the way I am. That is how I'm gonna stay. So yeah, so that's just how I'm gonna be. Upfront, honest. Sometimes it's gonna be fun. Sometimes maybe not. I may cry. I may laugh, but most of the time, just have fun with it all. You know, just keeping it real. Okay. Oh my God. This is like, I'm surprised my baby girl cat Munchker hasn't come in yet from the sun lounge. Sunroom, I should say. Spaghetti bolognese. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm making a huge mess. Sorry, lovers. You know me. I love food on my face. Alright. It's not really messy today for me. Yummy. Wow. Wow. As you know, excuse me, as you know, lovers, there's so much food. Amazing. It did cost a bit, but you know what? It's worth it. Like 5-star service. It's worth it. This will not go to waste. I will definitely eat it tomorrow. The rest of this spaghetti bolognese. Sorry, I didn't show you. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. So hungry. Like I said, I was not well yesterday, so I didn't eat. So today, obviously, I'm hungry. And I have my appetite back. So, as you know, lovers, I always love having you here. My tummy's obviously getting very full, as you could imagine. I wish you were here so I could feed you and give you some. And I hope you're eating something amazing and delicious. You know, like, it doesn't need to be takeaway. I rarely eat takeaway, and you'll see my future videos with what I do, with what I'm going to do with my channel, and you'll understand. So for now, yeah, this is takeaway frenzy. What do you call it? Uber Eats, mukbang, craziness. I don't know what you want to call it. All right. You know, like, pardon me. And I thank you, Uber Eats. I love you all. And to the restaurants that deliver, especially during this time for us all. I have the hiccups. Why do I have the hiccups? Maybe because I'm not used to this kind of food. Comment below, please. And let me know. And let me know your favorite pizza, pasta, garlic stuff, entrees, you know, desserts. Oh my God. Excuse me, sorry. I've still got a baked ricotta cheesecake, which I am going to eat later, darlings. Later. I've got Greek yogurt in the fridge. Love you all. Stay tuned, subscribe, click like, leave a beautiful comment. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you want me to do. Taco Bell coming soon, although we don't have Taco Bell in Australia. So to my subscriber that recommended that, we don't have Taco Bell in Australia. But I did look online and there is like taco food, Mexican food I can order. So get ready for that. Love you all. Stay tuned. Keep smiling and eat something yummy. Love you all. Love you all.